from my understanding, KARD is leaving DSP as a group, and they're not officially disbanding, but they are going to be focusing on their solo stuff. All right, so without further ado, let's check out some KARD. 3, 2, 1, yeah. Everybody's sleeping. Look how it started already. Ooh. Why is a lot of the songs I've been hearing recently sound like World Cup anthems? This sounds like another World Cup anthem, even though I like this message too. But knowing the context of this comeback, ooh, okay, b-ball. Ooh. Oh. Let me backtrack where the bags at. Could've mapped that, living out a hatchback. Big broke, no cash stack. Now class act. Used to be the one the whole class laughed at. Lost my way. Okay, BL. Damn. God planned that agent, not a better me. I put a dollar how I live in your memories. Memory. Historia? Oh, he's speaking Spanish. I just realized he was just, bruh. Everybody needs somebody. Yeah. I love the breakdown a lot. I love the blue on her too. I was like, it's not 4K. Familia. Ooh. Everybody looks so good too. Ooh. Okay. Got the leopard print too. I see the Laker jersey. What an interesting outfit too. That was fire. That was fire. It kind of feels a little bit bittersweet, even though they're not like disbanding. That we're probably gonna not hear as them as a group in a minute. I think they're gonna focus on their solos more, whatever, you know, path they do take. I know BM is in his acting bag. I mean, a lot of people are in KARD are in their solos, but yeah, that was a bop. That was a bop, bruh. Like the breakdown, freaking BM with his his rap. I'm curious what DSP is gonna concentrate on now. Let me backtrack where the bags at. Could've mapped that, living out a hatchback. Living out the hatchback. Broke, no cash stack, now class act. Used to be the one that whole class laughed at. Lost my way, that ain't get it, check it weird. Never lost faith, minute it'll jig it. God planned that. I like the fit, I like the fit. People be sleeping sometimes on Jay Says raps, but it's one of the best too. Especially mixing two languages too. It's still real. All right, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of KARD's comeback. Last song? I wouldn't say last song, but damn, what a journey that is. a co-ed group named KARD taking over the world like that. But yeah, definitely going to continue to support each member. I would love to see them do another song together as a group. I'm not saying like it feels like it's been a long time. It hasn't. But this released like 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check. Yeah, 2 days ago. Back to Life. Yeah. All right. Well, KARD, I wish you the best of luck in all your endeavors. And hopefully, and I can't wait to see you again. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.